Hello everyone! Today, I'll be presenting a Python program simulate a music playlist using circular doubly linked list. This data structures allows user to play songs in a loop, both forward and backward, just like a real music player. First of all, what is circular doubly linked list? A circular doubly linked list is a type of linked list where each node has a pointers to both next and previous nodes. The last node's next points to the first node, and the first node's previous points to the last node, creating a loop both directions. In lines 1 to 5, this line of code contains the song title and the pointers to the next and previous node. In the next line, 7 to 10, this group of code managed the linked list. It keeps track of the head and the current song being played. In lines 12 to 25, songs are added to the end of the list. If the list is empty, the first song points to itself in both directions to maintain the circular nature. In lines 27 to 39, this code lets us navigate the interface to move forward and backward, thanks to its circular nature. In lines 41 to 45, this displays the current song or a message if no songs are selected. In lines 47 to 71, this is the main code. This allows user interaction through simple menu. Here's a simple output when the program runs. As you notice, I am trying to input numbers that are not in the options. If you have any questions about how the code works or the data structure is used, feel free to comment it in the comment section. That's all guys, thank you.